I'm surprised you didn't wake up when my siren all of a sudden went off. Occupied by 2. So we got a male and female. Hey! The sheriff's department, let me see your hands! Hands! Put your hands up! Because you're in a stolen truck! Let me see your hands! I'm gonna shatter this window and pull you out. I'm gonna shatter this window and pull you out. Let me see your hands. Stop! What did I say? Stop! Let me see your hands! Stop! Let me see your hands!
Stop! Show us your hands!
Okay. Let me see your hands! Stop! Please stop the car! You're under arrest!
Westbound on 192nd Ave.
This car is total.
Negative, my car.
Where he went through.
Deputies believe the driver was possibly driving impaired, given he was passed out in a driveway and had narcotic paraphernalia all around him. A canine deputy located the vehicle and attempted to stop it, but the suspect continued to flee. The suspect ended up crashing into another vehicle and a ditch before he took off on foot.
Right through that full okay. Sheriff's Department is going to be searched by a police dog. Make yourself known, dog find you.
The canine deputy stayed to detain the passenger, and when more deputies arrived, he attempted to track the suspect. Unfortunately, we were unable to locate him, but we were able to positively identify him.
Come here, stop!
From where? 10% on primary. Northbound from 56.
No! Give your stance! Police! Police!
I'm done.
Are you done? Give us our hands, fool!
I'm done. I'm done.
Give us this one.
410-6, no problem.
I'm done.
Want the car? Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
I'm done.
We know you're done. We got you.
312.
You're under arrest.
As you can see, this suspect left both of our vehicles mangled and out of service. Now he will be out of commission as he awaits trial for charges for 2 counts of possession of a stolen vehicle, felony eluding, possession of stolen property, and felony vandalism.